The story of train presents, and this story takes us to the Washington Metro. Thomas and friends on the Washington Metro in Washington, D.C. Based on the railway story by the reference of their laundry. And the controversy for Riddle Pumps, it's all engines go. Trained by me, Nadim, and well, engines, we did it. We rode the whole blue line. Yeah, we even saw an Amtrak train. Hi everyone, what did I hear about y'all riding the blue line? Hello, Rebecca. You're just talking about the blue line we rode recently. You rode the blue line? What blue line? Who are those two? Those are Nia and Rebeca. Hello, I'm Stuart. I'm one of Thomas's brothers because I'm an E2 tank engine. Nice to meet you. Now, y'all riding what line? The blue line, Rebecca. We just finished riding the blue line recently. The blue line is a subway service that runs from Largo Town Center in Maryland to Franconia Springfield in Virginia. And here are all the clips that was on the train. Roll the clip.
Hi, Nadim. Whoa, we're on a train. What train are we on?
Nice. Hello, Stuart. We're on the Metro. We just got to Franconia Springfield.
That's the Amtrak track and I can find someone at this spot. No train yet. That sounds familiar.
Well, Thomas, you missed. I caught an Amtrak train on camera. I think you missed it.
Don't bother. What train?
The Amtrak train.
Railcar are we on?
Stop 2. No.
We're on a blue line on a 7000 series.
Look around. Oh, not so fast, Stuart. Hey, what?
Sorry, Stuart. I don't want to lose you.
Well, looks like there are more train tracks over there. Are there the track with the VRE and Amtrak train? I'm not. Stuart Thomas. I'm Stuart Thomas.
Everyone, this E2 tank engine right here asks one of the most stupidest questions. What stupid question?
Tunnel where?
Tunnel underground, Stuart.
Oh.
How was I supposed to know where we're going underground? Well, we entered a tunnel. That means we're going underground. Washington Metro goes underground, you know.
Well, now y'all told me that.
Well, Nadim did. Anyway, back to the clips.
okay.
Yeah, Thomas, the light show. Woohoo!
Come on. Tyra. We're on the 7000 series train in a tunnel on the blue line heading back to Largo Town Center in Maryland.
Not my first time riding metro. It is. Wait, I see a metro.
Ow! This is 7000. This is 7000.
Bye-bye.
Wait, it's leaving now. It's going to Huntington.
It's going to Springfield.
No, it's not going to Huntington. Nadim is going to Huntington Station. Wow, I've never been to Virginia by train.
train before.
Neither have I, Thomas, but today's different.
Hello, Nadim.
Henry, why are you blue?
Well, we're on the blue line, right?
Yeah.
So I thought I'd be painted blue with a special occasion.
What? Ronald Reagan wasn't in the airport? Huh. I can't wait to see the station. And the doors are closed, so I'll see it in a minute. Before we got to Ronald Reagan Airport, we entered another tunnel. Oh yeah, we're going to a tunnel. Hope the tunnel ends soon. It will. Wow, now we're at the tunnel. That was fast. And you? Huh. Let me see. I see train tracks over there. Oh, wait, that's just the metro tracks. Hang on. Why are we slowing down? Wait, James, look over there. Oh. Yeah? They're working on something. What are they making? I think it's a new train station. A new train station? Oh, how new? Wow, yeah, they really are making new stations. I can't wait for it to come out. Neither can I. Did y'all see any metro trains? Well, we did see another metro train pass us. Then I decided to go back in the bag. And now I'm going in the bag fast too. Yeah. Then I came out of the bag. Don't worry, Nadim. Don't worry, Nadim. We might see an Amtrak train soon, right, Nadim? Well, there may not be an Amtrak train stopping here for a while, Edgar. 2 past 5, so that'll be the last 2 for now. No bother. Look, we're almost at Ronald Reagan Airport. Look, I can see the airport in the distance. You see the river, Washington National Airport. And what a view! Hey, look, I see some planes over there.
So do I, Eddie. I see the tails.
Look.
Oh, and look, there's a plane taxiing over there. And we're right at the airport. You saw the front of the train? Ooh, nice.
Wow, I've never been to the airport by train before. Have you? No, I haven't. When I heard the door chime, I got very confused. Huh? That's right. Oh, I got the door chime changed.
And now we're going on the ground. That's right, Toby. And we're at Crystal City.
What did I miss? We got to Franconia Springfield, and now we're on our way back to Maryland, D.C. Ooh, this is fun. A road trip in a boat train. Yep. So what happened next? Well, we did. No. Well, there was a bit of delay.
Because the train keeps stopping and going.
We stopped at VRE, which is the last transportation to the Orange Line.
Let's say that.
Then we went for some Monkey Boulevard, where we didn't get off.
This is a blue line train to Largo Town Center.
Okay.
Move to the center of the car. The next
The last stop is Largo Town Center.
step back. Doors
We'll be going to Largo Town again. We haven't been doing.
Train is out of service. All customers, 1 second.
Oh, this train was going out of service.
We got from
Largo
Largo
Town Center.
This is the last
Good to be
station
back.
on the blue line in Maryland.
Please gather your belongings and exit the train. Thank you for choosing Metro. Doors opening on the left.
Thank you. Thank you.
First service out of service. All customers, 1 second.
Wait,
Train is out of service.
come on, everyone. Train is out of service.
When we arrived at Largo Town Center, the train was going out of service.
Train. I know. Ow. We are not. Yes.
Then the 10 minute, they got on another train, and they got from one
That
Boulevard.
Man.
Then that's it. I can't wait to ride the metro again. Wait, Nadim, when are we gonna ride metro again? Don't worry, Edward. The next time we ride the metro is the yellow line. Yellow? That's my color. Are y'all gonna be painted yellow? No, we're not gonna be painted yellow. We're gonna stay in our original color.
I can't wait.
I'm sure you can't.
Yeah, because both I cannot wait. Oh!
Red and green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play, around tingless sheds so far away. Down the hills and round the bends, Thomas and his friends.
We rode the blue line, even though it was so wrong at times. We went to Washington, D.C., and to be honest with me in the heat. Some the engine had to come, and Eddie me again, they had the fun. And Henry said to me more than 10, I can't wait to ride Metro again.
They're 2, they're 4, they're 6 or 8, shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play, around tingless sheds so far away. Down the hills and round the bends, Thomas and his friends. 2, they're 4, they're 6 or 8, shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play, around tingless sheds so far away. Down the hills and round the bends, Thomas and his friends.
Going to Huntington.
That's all, folks.
Thanks for stopping by, and
See you next time.